What's up guys, Mr. DS18 here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you guys the new CF-X8PRO. It's a new can, tower, pod, call it whatever you want. But it's a shorter version, but it has a Pro audio speaker inside. We're going to open up the box. I'm going to show you the whole pod, the grill, the back part. We're going to light it up with some lights, then we're going to power it up, play some tunes so you guys can check it out. So here we go. The CF-X8PRO. Should have opened the box before. Okay, here we go. This, I'm going to take one out, put it over here, and I'm going to take the other one out, put it over here. We got some hardware, an Allen key, some glue, some rivets, and we got a manual. So let's get this out of the way. We don't need the manual, and let's start off. Check this baby out. I'm gonna open this one first. Forgot to tell you, it also comes now with a new cover so you can protect the speaker. Check that out. Tell me that thing's not insane. Beautiful. Carbon fiber grill, carbon fiber pod, black mounts. Let's open this one up. And there we go. So it comes with the cover so you can protect your speakers. This is a full range, mid-range hybrid speaker. It's not a waterproof, completely plastic speaker. This is a paper cone. This is a water resistant cone, as you can see. It's designed to take out any environment. Mud, sand, water, whatever you throw at it, these boys can handle it. Check it out. Look at the grill, the nice DS18 logo. Check out the back part. Let's light this one up. Let me grab the lights here. Light this one up in red. There you go. There you go. LED. There you go. So it lights up the LED ring, and it also lights up the badge in the back. Check it out. Now, some specs on these speakers. These speakers can handle 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max power, 97 dBs, frequency responses from 80 Hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. These are 8-inch speakers with a compression driver built into them. That's right, compression driver, not a super tweeter. The compression driver also is protected so water won't penetrate, won't destroy the speaker, and it can handle all that power. So you can mount this on your boat, jet ski, side by side, Jeep, anywhere, even your trucks. You want to mount them? Go ahead. Now, let's power this sucker up. Let's grab cables. Here we go. Power here, power there. Let me put this light on right. There we go. Let's go to the folder, pick randomly, just stop right here. And there we go. Nice clean mid bass. You can feel it. It feels amazing inside. I can't imagine how it'll feel outside. It has a nice deep mid bass. The vocals are clear. The sound quality out of this thing is amazing. Now I'm only powering it up with this 80 watt amp. Can you imagine throwing real power to these bad boys? They're gonna be insane. So don't forget guys, we now have the new CF-X8PRO. Pro audio speakers in towers, cans, pods by DS18. So check them out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.